Okay, hey, it's Dale, and let's walk through the process of creating a child theme for your WordPress theme. And again, the purpose of a child theme is similar to creating a custom CSS in Bootstrap. It's so that any changes made to the real theme by the author of that theme will not lose your customization. So it's a good way to customize a theme without losing access to the author's updates or security updates or anything like that. So first thing you need to do is select your theme. And I have not yet done that for my site. So let's go to Appearance and Themes. And I did pick out a couple of themes that I liked. But I'm going to go ahead and go with this cage theme. So I'm going to click Activate. And so now it has changed my site to this cage theme. And that's completely fine. That's what I want. So the first step to creating a child theme, once you've selected your theme, is to create a folder on your desktop with the name of your theme and child in it. So you can see I just created a little folder here to the far left hand side and created all lowercase. So I'm calling this Cage Child. So again, the name of the parent theme is Cage. So I'm creating this as Cage Child. Now you're going to want to go to Text Wrangler and you're going to want to create a style sheet. So I've just created a new text document here. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And the name of it is going to be style.css. And I'm going to want to save that inside of that child theme folder. So now I have that there. A couple of things we need to do. So we're going to go into the appearance and editor here inside WordPress, and it's going to automatically open up to the style sheet for the parent theme. You're going to get this warning message. That's okay. Hit proceed. We need to grab some information from the style sheet. So everything that's within these comment markers here, the asterisk and the slash, go ahead and select that and copy it. And now we want to go back to our style sheet and copy and paste that in there. So a couple things we need to do. We need to change the theme name from Cage to Cage Child, or whatever your theme is. If it's Dazzling, you would change it to Dazzling Child. So just make sure you're doing that. The other thing you want to do is underneath the author URI, we're going to create a template. And the template is the name of the parent theme. And you want to make sure that this is lowercase. So again, my parent theme name is Cage, but you'll notice I have the lowercase k there. And then you want to change the description. So this is a child theme of the Cage theme. And now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and save your style sheet again, which I just did, and you're good to go from there. Alright, so now that we've created the style sheet, we need to create one more file for our child theme. So I'm going to go back to Text Wrangler, and I'm going to create a new text document, and I'm going to go ahead and save this one as functions.php. So again, WordPress is it works off PHP, so that would explain what that is. Once I've saved it, I've gone ahead and saved it into the child folder. We need to grab some code from the handout that you have that's on my website, and you'll have it right here in step 10. So grab this PHP code and copy that and copy and paste it in here. All this is doing is basically telling WordPress to recognize the child theme. So once we have that, you can go ahead and save. And now those two files should be the only thing inside of your child folder here on your desktop. Okay, so once we've done that, we're on the home stretch here. This is the one time you'll need to log into Fetch to work in WordPress, because we need to put this child theme inside of our WordPress folders. Otherwise, everything else you do for your WordPress project will be inside of WordPress, and you'll be working solely in there. There won't be files to upload or anything like that. So I've already logged into to my Fetch here, and I need to go to public HTML, and I need to go down and find the subdomain that I'm working in, which for me that was test So here is that test folder. Now I need to find the WP content folder, which is right here. And then I need to go to themes. And now these are every theme that I have there. So I'm going to upload my Cage Child theme here, and you'll be uploading whatever theme it is you have selected. So now it's there. Now I can go back to my appearance and themes, and if everything works correctly, here it is right here. I now have my child theme ready. So if I go ahead and click activate, nothing should have changed because it's still the same theme. It's just I'll be working off a custom CSS now that won't affect the author's any of the author's updates or anything like that. So the last thing I need to show you now that we have our child theme activated is I need to show you how to edit your style sheet in here. So you'll go to Appearance and Editor, and this, now that you're in the child theme, you'll see it says Cage Child, and here's our style.css. So this should look familiar. This is that code that we wrote, or these are the comments that we wrote inside Text Wrangler. And now any custom CSS you want to do, you will do in here. So let's do something like this, color equals red, and go ahead and update the file. And now when I go back to the site, everything within a peak should be red, which you see it there. So that's how you update, install, or you create, update, and install a child theme on WordPress.